Question number 8 of the exercise. Points A, B, C and D. Divide the line segment joining the point 5 minus 10 and the origin. 5 minus 10 and the origin. 2 points are given. Okay. 2 points are given. 5 minus 10 and the origin. And this line segment is divided by A, B, C and D. 5 equal parts. What is equal parts? Find the coordinates of B and D. We have to find the coordinates of B and D. Equal parts. All are equal to each other. Understood? So, this is one dairy milk or 5-star you take it. Okay. And divide into 5 equal parts. This one equal to this one, equal to this one, equal to this one, equal to this. Okay. Now, what is this? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 you will get. Total how many parts? 5 parts. Total 5 parts. Okay. And divided equally. Given. Divided equally. Okay. So, now, what is? Let us keep this one as x. X, b. What will be the ratio? This one, 2. Okay, this will become 2. And b, o, 1, 2, 3. This will become 3. Okay, it will become, because we have to find the coordinates of B and coordinates of D. Now let us to find B. Okay, x1. You take 5 minus 10 and here 0, 0. Okay, origin. And this is B, and what is this ratio? 2 and this ratio 3. So M1 is 2, M2 is 3. Okay, M1 is equal to 2 and M2 is equal to 3. And B we will take it as X and Y. Now write X is equal to M1, X2 and M2 upon M1 plus M2, right? M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2. And Y is equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2. Okay. Now, you take coordinates. We have to find out now. So, X is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3 into 5 upon 2 plus 3. Y is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3 into minus 10 upon 2 plus 3. So, 15 upon 5, cut, you will get 3. And here, minus 30 upon 5, you will get minus 6. So, what is B? 3 and minus 6. Okay, what is B? 3 and minus 6. Okay. Second, we have to find. To find D. To find D. Same way, you take this one, 5 and minus 10. And this one, origin. And here, D. That is A and B I am taking. Okay. Now, here ratio 4 is to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 4 is to 1. Now, find out X is equal to 4 into 0 plus 1 into 5 upon 5 and y is equal to 4 into 0 plus 1 into minus 10 upon 5. So 5 upon 5 is equal to 1 and minus 10 upon 5 is equal to minus 2. So what is D? 1 and minus 2. This is the answer. Okay. Question number 9. The line joining the points A, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 10 and B, minus 2, 6 is divided by the point P such that PB upon AB is equal to 1 upon 5. Find the coordinates of the point P. So, AB is a line segment. Okay, what is the value of A? Minus 3, minus 10. What is the value of B? Minus 2, 6. Okay, and it is divided by a point P. Given BP upon AB is equal to 1 upon 5. So, AB is completely 5 and BP is 1. So, you will get 1 and 4. Understood? So, you have to find AB is equal to AP plus BP and 5 AP plus 1. Therefore, AP is equal to 4. Okay. Now, M1, 4 and M2, 1. Okay. Now, we can find out the point P. Let the coordinates okay. Let the coordinates of P, X, Y. Now, X is equal to M1, X2 plus M2, X1 upon M1 plus M2. Y is equal to M1, Y2 plus M2, Y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now, put 4 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 3 upon 4 plus 1 and y is equal to 4 into 6 plus 1 into minus 10 upon 4 plus 1. So, minus 8, minus 3 upon 5 and here 6 4s are 24 minus 10 upon 5. So, you will get minus 11 upon 5 and 14 upon 5. So, P is minus 11 upon 5 and 14 upon 5. This is the answer. So, they have given, this is given, no, BP upon AB is equal to 1 upon 5. So, complete AB is 5 parts and this is 1 part. What will be the remaining? 4 parts. And now you have to M1 you know 4, M2 you know 1. Formula you know, put the values, you will get the coordinates of the point P. This is the answer. Okay. Eleventh question. Calculate the ratio in which the line joining the points minus 3, minus 1 and 5 and 7. Minus 3, minus 1, 5 and 7. And this line is line segment divided by a point P and they have given x is equal to 2. X value is 2. And why? We don't know. Because they didn't say the point is lying on the x-axis. Clear? They said a point is dividing the line segment AB. And that point is having x is equal to 2. That point value x, no, that is equal to 2. So why? We don't know. Keep it as y only. Now m1, m2. Okay. We have to find the ratio first. Let the ratio be m1 ratio m2. Now formula x is equal to m1 x2 m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay. Now see here 2 and y. Okay, 2 and y. Which one we have to take? 2. So 2 is equal to m1 into 5 plus m2 into minus 3 upon m1 plus m2. Cross multiple 2m1 plus 2m2 is equal to 5m1 minus 3m2. Okay, now m2 one side and m1 one side. So 3m2 plus 2m2 is equal to 5m1 minus 2m1. So 5m2 is equal to 3m1. So m1 upon m2 is equal to, okay, 5 upon 3. Write the answer in ratio. So you will write m1 ratio m2 is 5 ratio 3. Okay, 5 ratio 3 we got it. Next, what we have to? We have to get the coordinates. Here, we have to find out the y value, p coordinates. So, take y is equal to, right, 5 and 3. This is 5 and this is 3. Now, write 5 into 7 plus 3 into minus 1 upon 5 plus 3. So, you will get 35 minus 3 upon 8. That is equal to 32 upon 8 divided, you will get 4. Okay, you will get 4. Now, what they ask? The point P. P is 2 and 4. This is the answer. Okay. So first we have to, given the line segment minus 3 minus 1 and 5 and 7 is divided by a point. Okay. With the point is having x is equal to 2. So in the place of x you write 2 and in the place of y write y. Okay. Ratio is not given. Take it as m1 ratio m2. Now put the formula. Write down the formula and next which is having 2 x, no, take the x1 and get the ratio m1 upon m2 is equal to 5:3. Now find the value of y using the formula. You will get 4. That is equal to, okay, point P is 2 and 4. What is the coordinates of the point P? 2 and 4. Okay. Thirteenth question of the exercise. Given, what is P? 5 and 4. P is given 5 and minus 4. So, AB, ratio AB. It is starting from A to B. So, ratio you will write 2 ratio 5. Don't write 2 and 5. Okay, line is starting from moving this way, AB. So, ratio 2 and then 5. M1, M2 and this is a point P. So, x-axis, x and 0. Y-axis, 0 and y. Now, find out formula you know. X is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. And y is equal to M1 y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay. First we write the formula, and this is the x value and this is the y value. Okay. In the place of x you will write 5 is equal to 2 into 0 plus 5 into x upon 2 plus 5. Okay. Then minus 4 is equal to 2 into y plus 5 into 0 upon 2 plus 5. Okay. 2 into 0 plus 5 into x upon 2 plus 5. Then 2 into y plus 5 into 0 upon 2 plus 5. That is equal to x and y, no, 5 and minus 4. Now see, 5 is equal to 5x upon 7 and minus 4 is equal to 2y upon 7. Cross multiple, 35 upon 5 is equal to x is equal to 7. And here minus 28 upon 2 is equal to y is equal to. Now you have to write the coordinates. Coordinates A is 7 and 0 and coordinate of B is 0 and minus 14. Okay. Minus 28 divided by 2, you will get minus 14. So B is 0 minus 14. Clear? This is the answer. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of a line joining the point minus 3, 0 and 6 and 6. Minus 3, 0, 6 and 6. Okay. And what they said? It is trisected. The line is trisected. Divided into 3 equal parts. Mark it A, B. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we have to find the coordinates. 1, 1 and 1. Now to find A, we draw the line. Okay. Minus 3, 0 and 6 and 6. Here it is A, 1 and 2. Okay. Write the formula. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now put, we have to find A, no? So 1 into 6 plus 2 into minus 3 upon 1 plus 2, and here 1 into 6 plus 2 into 0 upon 1 plus 2. So 6 minus 6 upon 3, and here you will write 6 upon 3. Okay. Now cancel it. You will get here 0 and here you will get 2. So A is 0, 2. What is the coordinate of A? 0, 2. Okay. What is the coordinates of A? 0 and 2. Now we have to find out B. To find B coordinates, this is minus 3, 0 and here 6 and 6, B, 2, 1. Okay, now you calculate. X is equal to 2, 6 are 12 plus 1 into minus 3 upon 3 and y is equal to 2 into 6 plus 1 into 0 upon 3. So you will get 12 minus 3 upon 3 you can get it 9 upon 3. That is equal to 3. And here 12 upon 3, that is equal to 4. Now write the point. B is 3 and 4. What is the coordinates of B? 3 and 4. The next question, question number 16. Show that A 3 minus 2 is a point of trisection of the line segment joining the points 2, 1 and 5 minus 8. 2, 1 and 5 minus 8, and this is A. What is A? 3 and minus 2. They said prove that A is the point of trisection. Okay, trisection. So what you have to do it? We have to prove it. The ratio M1 ratio M2 is equal to 1:2 or 2:1. If you prove this, then we can say the points are in a, okay, what we can say? The point of trisection. We can say A is a point of trisection. First thing given 2, 1, 5 minus 8. And they said A is a point of trisection 3 minus 2. We have to prove it. We have to prove it that A is a point of trisection. Now, A is a point of trisection. We have to prove it. That means we should get the ratio M1 is to M2 is equal to 1:2 or 2:1. Okay, 1:2 or 2:1. Now see, write the formula. X is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. Y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now take in the place of x, you write 3 is equal to, this is M1 and this is M2. Okay, 5M1 plus 2M2 upon M1 plus M2. Either you take this one or this one because both are having the numbers. Okay, any one you take and prove either 1:2 or 2:1. Now I am taking the first one. I am not taking the second one. If you take the second one and leaving the first one, that is also correct. Now 3M1 plus 3M2 is equal to 5M1 plus 2M2. Okay. Now bring it. 3M2 minus 2M2 is equal to 5M1 minus 3M1. So you will get M2 is equal to 2M1. Now write the ratio 1 upon M2. You take it that side. 1 upon 2 is equal to M1 upon M2. So ratio M1 ratio M2 is 1:2. Now we write answer for this as the ratio M1 is to M2 equal to 1:2. A is a point of trisection. A is the point of trisection. Okay. So you have proved that ratio 1:2. Therefore, A become the point of a trisection. Clear? Now we have to find out 2, 1, 5 minus 8, and this is A, 1, and this one 2. So B will be here. Okay, because trisection means equally divided. Equally divided. So 1:1. Now you have to find B, X and Y. So M1 will become Okay, 2:1. 2:1. Okay, 2:1. Now multiply and get 2 into x is equal to 2 into 5 plus 1 into 2 upon 2 plus 1, and y is equal to 2 into -8 and 1 into 1. Okay, upon 2 plus 1. Now 10 plus 2 upon 3, and here -16 plus 1 upon 3. So 12 upon 3 cancel, you will get 4, and -15 upon 3 cancel, you will get -5. So y is equal to x is equal to, okay. Now the point B is 4 minus 5. Answer. Okay. 4 and -5.